Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to install Visual Studio Code in your laptop. Let's start friends. So firstly open Google Chrome. In that type Visual Studio Code and press enter. In first you see there is a Visual Studio Code. Click on that. So this is the official Visual Studio Code website. Here you see download for Windows. Because my system is Windows OS, depend on Windows OS. Whatever your system is Mac OS, click on that drop down. Here your system is Mac OS, click on that download button, or Linux, click on that download buttons. Okay friends, my system is download for Windows, click on that. Your system is download for Windows, click on that button. Okay friends, I already download, so I download now. Go to downloads. Here type Visual Studio. So here it is friends, show in folder. This is VS Code user setup. Click on that friends, double click on that. So here is the pop-up setup message. Click on I accept the agreement, then press enter. If you create a desktop icon, if you like to create a desktop icon, click on that check bar, then press and next, then press install. Wait friends, it's installing. It takes less than 2 minutes. Okay friends, it's finished. Okay, go to search bar, enter Visual Studio Code. So here it is. This is friends. Okay, thank you for watching friends. Please share and subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.